Good morning, everybody. This is Nagraj Marupaka from Autorounders, Hyderabad. So today we are delivering this Lexus Kit. This is our own Lexus Kit. It's actually a Type 3 Innova, which we converted into Type 4 with the Lexus model. See how sporty it is looking. And the thing is, we changed the color also in this. It was a grey color. We changed into Donington Grey now. So how sporty it is looking. So I'll show you we painted the alloys also in a sporty black color with the calipers of red. Even the side mirror with the indicators we added. And you can see the skirting also there because it comes along with the Lexus Kit, the side skirting. Backside it is something where it is like we have added the Dickey patti with the LED lights, which I'll show you. So with the LED tail lamps, right? And with the spoiler we are added in this. Sporty kind of LED tail lamp we are added. This is the first actually in Hyderabad we are added this. This is a new model which I'll show you the operations. It's a new model LED tail lamps. So this is how it looks like. Okay, sure. Coming to again here, which we can see that Lexus skirting is there added. We are actually added the projector headlights with an LED high beam and low beam, and even the fog lamps also we added LED lights. We will show the interiors now. So interiors, if you look at now, it is like completely we done the black and brown combination. If you see the seats also, it's like black and brown with the tan stitch. See the fitting, how it's like looking like a same company fitted. Even the gear boot, gear knob, handbrake, this all we have changed. And here the wooden finishing there in the steering, right? And we have added the Android player also in this, right? Even in Ambient also we added in this. Ambient, if you see like in the dashboard, in the doors, in the door pad also it is available. And even we changed the roof material also, right? Even we changed the roof material. So this is what we did the completely interiors in this. So anyone wants such kind of work, so definitely they can visit Autorounders. Thank you.